how to create a Google Doc copy for each student. Okay, make sure you're in your course. Make sure you're in assignments. Click on create an assignment. We can title it XYZ assignment. Leave your box here empty. Don't click on the Google Drive icon here. Just go to points. I'm going to deselect select daily grade. Leave it as points. I do want it to count. Click on, instead of leaving it as online, click on external tool, then go to find. Then from here, click on Google Assignments. Continue, make sure you're logged in your Spring Branch email address. It's going to open up a new window. Go to Attach. From here, pick your Google Doc that you have saved in your Google Drive. I wanted to make this video in 60 seconds, but it's running extremely slow. Maybe fast forward a little bit here. There we go. Something's wrong with the internet. Pick your Google Doc. I'm going to pick on football resources. I want the kids to write on this. I want them to do something with it. You're going to resubmit it back to me. And it says each student will get a copy. Select your due date. I want to do on the Friday of the first week of school. Create. You can also make a rubric. And then select. And then the link should appear right here from the one you selected in your Google Doc, in your Google Drive. Scroll down. You can limit the number of attempts. I'm going to let them do it one time. One. Sync to Skyward. And then from here, you can assign it to the specific courses, right? So I've created it in my sandbox. I'm just going to assign it to my sandbox. Due date, first week of school, available from 15th to the 19th. Save. And now the assignments, the Google Doc assignment that I have for my Google Drive is in my assignments tab. Now to add it to the module, right, because that's what the students are going to look, click on modules. And I know it's a football assignment and it's all my government stuff here, but I'm just going to add it to Unit 1. So I'll just go to the plus, scroll down a little bit, and we have it right here, XYZ assignment. Just go add item. And you should have it appear down here. Now, unless it's check marked, it's not going to be published, right? So right now it's in here. Students can't see it. I want students to see it, publish it. It goes green. It's good to go. And that is probably the easiest way that I found to add a Google Doc copy for each student. Hope this helps.